Hey guys, welcome back to the shop with Sam Munitions. Today I'm going to be forging out a kitchen knife with some 1084 steel. This is going to be my first time working with a known steel, so I'm pretty excited to have some predictable results once I start the heat treat. I'm starting off here by forging out the tip. I'm going to try to do as much as I can with the hammer so I don't have to grind too much. So my impatient hammering with my 4-pound hammer caused a little bit of a fold at the tip, so I'm just making sure that's not going to cause any problems with the steel. I think we can all agree that me shamelessly wearing cargo shorts and tall combat boots was a mistake.
What?
Although there are a few people on this planet that can use tongs as well as I can, finally get off the last remnants of that corner piece on my tip, and it's all looking up. I pulled out the big hammer so I can begin forging out the tang. This is probably going to be the most time-consuming part of this knife, but it's also one of the most important because a bad handle on a kitchen knife can definitely make it a pain to use. I'm slimming up the top of that tang so there's plenty of room for your fingers to hide. I don't quite hammer out enough room for your fingers, so I'm hoping I can make a little bit more room once I get it on the grinder. So once I get it to a shape I'm happy with, I just make sure everything's straight. This knife has definitely got a pretty prominent curve that makes it look a little bit more like a scimitar, but all in all, I'm actually really happy with the way it came out. Hope you guys will stay tuned for when I finish up this knife. I've definitely got a lot of work to do, but I'm pretty excited. See you then.